Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed professors and fellow students, I'm honored to present to you today on the topic of infectious mononucleosis and the Epstein-Barr virus. This presentation is designed to provide a comprehensive overview of these viral illnesses, from its structural aspects to its clinical implications in management. Infectious mononucleosis is a significant medical condition with broad relevance in the field of virology and clinical medicine. Understanding its complexities as well as the characteristics of the Epstein-Barr virus is essential for healthcare professionals and researchers alike. These are the topics that we will go over today. Here is Rowan and Ehab to start us off with the structure of the Epstein-Barr virus.
The Epstein-Barr virus EPV is a complex double-stranded DNA virus with a distinctive structure. It features an icosahedral capsid that protects its genetic material in an outer lipid envelope derived from the host cell membrane. The viral genome contains a linear double-stranded DNA molecule which encodes various viral proteins essential for its replication pathogenicity. EPV is classified as a member of the herpes virus family characterized by its enveloped icosahedral variant structure. And here is Malak Youssef to tell us about the name origin of infectious mononucleosis.
The name of the infectious mononucleosis originates from the distinctive hematological feature of the disease. This condition is referred to as mononucleosis due to the significant increase in the mononuclear red blood cells and primary lymphocyte that absorbed in the peripheral blood of the infected individuals. It's a descriptive term that reflects the characteristic immune response to the Epstein-Barr virus. And here is Youssef Elsheikh to tell us about the habitat of the Epstein-Barr virus.
The Epstein-Barr virus habitat. It has specific human habitat. It's primarily infected and resides in human. The virus is most commonly found in saliva of the infected individuals, which serves as its primary reservoir. Epstein-Barr virus is highly contagious and is primarily transmitted from person to person through direct contact with infected saliva, as well as via other body fluids and to a lesser extent through contaminated objects or surfaces. Here is Mariem and Walid to tell us about the onset and the duration.
The onset of symptoms in infectious mononucleosis typically occurs around 4 to 6 weeks after an individual's initial infection with the Epstein-Barr viruses. During this incubation period, the virus establishes itself in the body, replicates, and initiates the host immune response. As a result, the clinical symptoms of the disease manifest with this time frame. The duration of infectious mononucleosis varies among individuals, with the illness typically lasting several weeks. However, in some cases, symptoms can persist for several months. Notably, the hallmark of infectious mononucleosis is the persistence of extreme fatigue, which can endure well beyond the acute phase of the illness, sometimes lingering for several months. Here is Roaa Ahmed to tell us about the vector.
Unlike diseases transmitted by vectors like mosquitoes, the Epstein-Barr virus is primarily transmitted through a direct human-to-human contact. It does not rely on an intermediary vector. The main mode of transmission is through activities such as close personal contact, kissing, sharing eating utilities, or coming into contact with contaminated surfaces that have been contaminated with infected saliva or other bodily fluids. Here is Nada Omar to tell us about the clinical picture.
Infectious mononucleosis presents a wide range of clinical symptoms including fever, sore throat, swelling lymph nodes, extreme fatigue, and enlarged tonsils. A skin rash can occasionally be observed, and many individuals with infectious mononucleosis develop an enlarged spleen, splenomegaly. In severe cases, complications such as hepatitis, anemia, and neurological symptoms can occur, but these are relatively rare. The most common symptoms are the result of the immune response to the virus and can persist for several weeks. Here is Omar to tell us about the clinical management.
There is no specific antiviral treatment for infectious mononucleosis caused by Ebola virus. Clinical management focuses on supportive care and symptom relief. Rest is essential, and strenuous activities should be avoided, especially when an enlarged spleen is present to prevent the risk of splenic rupture. Symptomatic treatment includes pain relievers such as acetaminophen and hydration. In some cases, corticosteroids may be considered for severe symptoms. And here is Mohammed to tell us about the type and family.
Infectious mononucleosis is a clinical syndrome primarily caused by the Epstein-Barr virus. It's important to note that the term infectious mononucleosis refers to a set of characteristic clinical symptoms and is not limited to Epstein-Barr virus. However, Epstein-Barr virus is the most common cause. The Epstein-Barr virus belongs to the herpes viridae family, a large family of viruses known for their ability to establish latent infections in their host. This family includes several notable viruses such as herpes simplex viruses 1 and 2, varicella zoster virus which causes chickenpox and shingles, cytomegalovirus, and other human herpes viruses. These viruses share structural and genetic similarities and are known for their ability to persist in the host body for extended periods, occasionally reactivating and causing disease.
That brings us to the end of our presentation. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into infectious mononucleosis and the Epstein-Barr virus, as we continue to explore the complexities of viral infections and their impact on human health. Thank you for your attention.